Welcome to BLFTv, guys. Today we're gonna cook you Jamaican brown stew oxtail, and we're gonna do a tutorial. So if you don't know how to do it, you could just follow my steps and you get yourself a nice Jamaican oxtail. And it's pretty easy, guys. So if I can do it, you can. So just check out what I do, okay? Here, guys, I have 2 pounds of oxtail right here, already clean with my vinegar and lemon, clean, well clean, guys. So I'm gonna season it right now. All right, so I have a teaspoon and a half of Maggi all-purpose season right here, and I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and I have 1 teaspoon and a half of meat season. This is Easy Spice meat season. All right, and here I have half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, right? And I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of blended green season. I have a video for you guys to see how I do my blended season. You could check it out on the channel. All right, the link is over here, right? So for the green season, so you just check it out right over here, okay? And I'm gonna use brownie because it's brown stew, right? All right, but first let me just rub in the season and get it all in the oxtail, guys. You want to make sure you rub your season before you add your brownie. That the way you will see where and where not get no season. So you know everything come done already. Yes. And you want to leave your meat to sit for at least 2 or 3 hours, the least you can, but it's best result if leave longer. All right, so I'm seasoning up mine right now, guys. All right, so now I'm gonna add my brownie. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna add 1 cup, 1.5. If it want more, we add. Okay, massage it all in, guys. Get all the goodness of the blended herbs all in your oxtail. All right, I like my oxtail to be a little darker, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more. All right, so in all 2 cups full of browning. Oops, look at spilling go on there, guys, but you know, I think goes sometimes. I'm gonna plastic wrap this now and let it sit in the refrigerator. All right, so first thing, I preheated my pot right here, and I have about 2 tablespoons of oil. I do have, right, and it's hot already. All right, so I'm gonna put in the oxtail now, guys. Jamaican brown stew oxtail, guys. Well seasoned up on everything, guys. You're gonna see. So if you want to make the best oxtail, just check out what your girl do right here, alright? I'm gonna put little water in here, and we're gonna use this same way, yeah? Oxtail in a pot, guys. Just add a little water here, and we're still gonna use this, okay? But not right now. Put it over there. Alright, guys, so you notice me not cover my pot or anything yet. I'm still what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn over my oxtail. You could see. Alright. Turn it over. You want the oxtail to catch some color before you cover your pot and let it, you know, started the cooking process. Alright, just like that. Guys, it smells so good. Alright, just like that. So now that me turn over everything, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cover it, and I have it on medium flame right now. So I just want it to spring little water, and then as we go along, I'll show you the steps, because we're gonna boil some hot water to add to it for the cooking process to go faster, because we are doing it on the stove top with without a pressure cooker. Alright. So this is like 10 minutes after setting off my oxtail. This is the first time I'm gonna add water, and we're gonna continue throughout the cooking process, okay? Alright, so look guys, this is what it looks like. So you see it springs its own water a little, right? Right. So alright. So you notice it kind of catch its color already. Oxtail catches color right there. Alright, so this is just some water that from the seasoning, so I'm just gonna add it to the side, just like that. Alright, and then here I have my boiling water over here. I'm gonna add some, and you want to add to the side guys, just like this. You add to the side and ensure your meat is covered, right? You don't need to drown it in the water, but you need it to covered. Alright. Just pour this out. Alright, so that is good enough right there. Alright, so you're gonna cover it up and let the cooking continue. Remember, I'm not using a pressure cooker, so it's gonna take a while to cook. So we get there finally, and you have yourself a nice Jamaican oxtail. Don't worry yourself guys, this is how we do it. Okay, so after 2 hours guys of cooking, my meat is finally tender. So now I'm gonna season up my pot, and throughout the 2 hours I've been adding water to ensure it cooks soft and nice. So you want to do that each time the water dry out until your meat is tender, okay? Alright, let me show you what's going on now. Alright, see? The meat is soft guys. Take a close look, you can see that? It's soft. Just like that. Just use a fork and test it. You notice it's very soft. You know what I mean? It's about to fall off the bone, but it's not yet fall off the bone, okay? Okay guys, so now we're gonna add our final season up, which is our carrot. Let me add the pimento, some pimento grain, my Irish and carrot right there. I have a hot pepper, scallion and thyme, bell pepper, red and orange right there, and some garlic, minced garlic. Alright, rest this over here. Alright. So I'm gonna let this cook guys for at least 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and add some ketchup and my broad bean, okay? Butter bean. Alright. So after 7 minutes now, guys, now I'm gonna check back on my pan. Okay. Alright, look where I'm going, guys. You see it a mellow done, a jelly done. Wow. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna add my broad bean. Yeah. Oh, no. Broad bean, let me test the gravy. Okay. I'm gonna add some ketchup. Not much. That's like 2 tablespoons of ketchup right here and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Right? And you just wanna just throw some of the gravy over. I'm gonna leave this for another 5 minutes, guys. Gravy tastes nice already. Yeah, guys. So I'm just gonna leave that for 5 minutes and let it simmer down and the gravy become thick, you know, nice gravy. And that's it. We have ourselves our nice Jamaican oxtail brown stew. Finished product. Very nicely done, very soft, guys. Look at that. Look, you see all the meat coming off the bone like that. Jelly done and everything nice. Remember to share, guys. Share, share, share. Please share.
BLFTv. Boss Lady Finer TV.
BLFTv.
Boss Lady TV.
BLFTv. BLFTv. And them lock the road.
You know the style. Boss Lady Finer.